everyone, welcome to Owen Design live stream. This is Helen from Owen Design. Owen Design is a company who designs and manufactures the pizza oven. Today we are going to show you our great pizza oven. We are going to install the leg. This is our table version pizza oven, the small size. We need to install the leg first. Now let me show how to install the leg. Có gì thì thôi. Now we start to heat up the fire. We start to count the time. Có phó lên nè. Wow, có phó hú lên à. có phong làm mà lịch kiến kita hati lo kasi kan gini so ini let me check the temperature inside. 243 42 243 minutes. Let me check the temperature. It's 350 Celsius. Let me check the temperature. 354. Put the fish inside 15 minutes. Let's see what the fish inside. How the fish inside? Whoa.